Good morning and welcome to day one of a 3-day Knysna Oyster Festival experience. So we're here at the Knysna Hollow Country Estate, just 10 minutes from the town of Knysna. This is the place to stay during the Knysna Oyster Festival. They've got paddle courts, a swimming pool, 44 exquisite rooms and restaurant facilities on site. We started off with some delicious oyster tasting at Sirocco restaurant, before moving over to the Art on Queen for a sip and paint experience. Then after an amazing meal at the Butterfly Blue restaurant, it was time for day 2. So first up, we've got an excursion with Ocean Odyssey. We're going to head out through the Knysna Heads, go look for some whales. It's going to be an epic day out in the water. Let's see how it goes. What an incredible experience that was. We saw bottlenose dolphins, humpback dolphins, Blythe's whales, insane. Now we're on to the Knysna Gin Distillery and Brewery, where we're going to do some gin tasting. Let's go. Epic drive in a 1950 MG TD this afternoon. We've enjoyed the town of Sedgefield. 26th of June, come down and have a look at the cars. There's going to be over 150 classic cars. Go and enjoy it. And just like that, we're up here, overlooking the beautiful Indian Ocean. We're at Simbavati for dinner this evening. They've got zebras, bushbuck, waterbuck. There's a paragliding launch site just around the corner here, which is right up my alley, of course. I mean, just look at these views. When the sunset is popping, this place is spectacular. Just had a delicious breakfast in the Knysna forest. Now we're heading off to do some scoot touring with scoot tours in Knysna. Going to be an awesome fun time. Come along. We ended off with an insightful experience meeting the local oyster harvesters. Well, that's a wrap. It's been an epic couple of days here in Knysna. We've done it all. So thanks for watching, and we hope to see you at the Knysna Oyster Festival 2024.